Hello my friends, my name is Omid and welcome to my another tutorial videos about React programming. In this tutorial I'm going to discuss about using components in files, and as you know, React is actually about reusing code, and it can be smart to insert some of your components in separate files. But how can we do it? Let's explain it more. To do that, we should create a new file with a JS extension and put the code inside it. So please note that the file must start by importing React as before we did. And we should have this statement, import React from React, and it has to end with the statement export default book. For example, in this component, we have chosen the name of book for our component in another file. Let's explain it with very simple example. First of all, we should create a .js extension file, and we should select a name for it. For example, here I selected book.js because I want to create a new component that its name is book. But in this file you should pay attention that in the first line we should write import React from React, and in the last line you should have export default, the name of your component that here for us is book. And it's a very simple component, a class component that will return hi, I am a book in h2 tag. But to be able to use the book component, you have to import file in your application. How can we do it? It's very simple. Now we import the book.js file in the application, and we can use the book component as if it was created here. Please look at this code carefully. Import React from React, import React DOM from React-DOM, and the third line is very important for us for addressing the file and component. Import book from this file /book.js, and then in React DOM render function we should call our component that here for us is book. Okay, let's run this simple example. Here, yes, we have this result, hi, I am a book. If we consider the process, we can say that first of all this section, the first section, will be executed, and here in the third line we call the component book from the file book.js, and in render function we called again this component book. But this book component here is defined very well, that it's a very simple component and will return hi, I am a book, what we have seen in the result. And we should pay attention that for this file, the first line you should have import React from React, and the last line should be export default, the name of your component. Yes, that's it. In this tutorial, I try to explain components in files with very simple example. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if really it is, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye.